My first disaster business experience took place after my army service. Since I was 10 years old, I was selling bagels, selling balloons, working in different places. I was able to save and accumulate nice amount of money. After my army service, I took all this money and I invested it into a pet shop. The pet shop was great. I had great clients, repeated clientele, business was booming. The only problem was I did not know anything about how to run a business. 6 months after the pet shop was established, I joined the 94% of business owners that's closing their businesses in the first 10 years. In my case, it was after 6 months. After 6 months, the business was closed. Vendors were chasing me, the banks, the government, everyone were after me because they wanted their money. I owed at that point $100,000. And I'm not even talking about all the money that I invested in the pet shop that was burned. Everything was gone. At that point, I was totally lost. I saw no future. Everything was dark. Of course, I blamed the government for taking too much taxes, and I blamed my vendors for giving me shitty deals, and I blamed everyone. The only person I did not blame was myself. I am the one who had to understand the taxation, and I didn't. I am the one who had to negotiate good deals with my vendors, and I didn't. I was a good guy. I like cats, I like dogs. I did not know anything about business. At the moment that I understood that everything was my fault and I took full responsibility, my life changed. Before my army service, I learned massage therapy, and I was pretty good at massage therapy. But if I will take all my time and I will invest it into massage therapy, I will not be able to cover my debt. Maybe I will be able to cover the interest, but for sure not the debt. I had to become more resourceful. I had to think outside the box. I went to clubs and bars and I told them that I can bring the massage therapist, then they will give massage sessions to their clients. And that will be a great gimmick and more people will come to their business. I told them it will cost them $200 per massage therapist per night. And they agreed. Then I went and I searched for massage therapists that's looking for more work, that want to get more publicity. And I found many of them. And they wanted to come for free. It even didn't cost me any money. And my job was to find more clubs and more massage therapists and connect between them. After 1 year, I was able to cover my debt. I was debt-free. From that moment on, I started to create multiple businesses. I created web design businesses, marketing, and so on and so on. In the last 30 years, I created multiple businesses. Some of them were successful, and I even was able to sell them to bigger companies. Over the years, business owners came to me and asked for advice. Advice about proper marketing, about sales, how to run a business, and in some cases, companies had too much cash and they did not know what to do with it. During those years, my role shifted from a business owner into a business consultant. This channel is supposed to help my brothers and sisters, the small business owners, in their day-to-day struggles. I will help you with marketing, I will help you with sales, how to run a business, how to control your mental state and not be overwhelmed with the billion things that you have to do on a daily basis. I will try to give you as much as I can from my personal experience with how to run a business, how to do proper marketing that will cost you almost nothing, how to do sales in the right way, how to negotiate deals, and more. Every video that I will create will present one business problem and its solution. Every video will be short and practical. I approach you with great humility and I hope that you will give me a chance to try and help your business, to make more money, to be more clear-minded, and be able to generate and save more money. If you're up to the task and you're willing to give me a chance, please subscribe to the channel and you will get notifications whenever a new video arrives. Thank you very much for the trust, and I will see you in the next video.